Okay, so here we are outside. I've got my airbrush going. I have a piece of parchment paper down here on a TV tray. I just don't want the blue going all over the kitchen. I have in here, I've got some blue airbrush color, and I also put a little dot of yellow in to make it a little bit more of a teal color. You can also purchase teal colored airbrush. And then all I need to do is just squeeze. I want the entire thing. Looks like it might have a little too much yellow in it because it's going more towards the green. So I'll go over the entire shirt lightly first, and then I'll go ahead and add more blue to it. So kind of go all the way around. Let me add a little bit more blue here. Get more of that teal color that I wanted. Notice I'm always squirting it on the paper a little bit first. Make sure it's not clogging or spattering. That's the one thing about the airbrush. Once it comes out, it's pretty much on your cake. If you need to fix it, you either have to stick something on it in that area or scrape the cake and start over. Just a little bit more will do it. I'm just going to do the blue by itself here. One thing to watch for, see where it just hit the cake right there? Not good. Alright, always make sure you have some water next to you to clean the airbrush. So you just dip it in there, spray it, so it comes out clean. There is also a airbrush cleaner solution that you can buy and use. I usually just use the water though. Okay, and voila! We're ready to decorate. Let's take it back inside.